This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Amplenote. Notion serves as a highly customizable workspace, integrating notes, tasks, wikis, and databases into one flexible platform. Amplenote, on the other hand, offers a robust note-taking system with seamless task and calendar integration, emphasizing a streamlined workflow. Both tools aim to significantly boost your productivity and organizational capabilities, but they approach this goal with distinct philosophies and feature sets. Notion truly shines with its powerful, customizable databases, making it excellent for complex project management and collaborative team environments. Its block-based editor allows for incredible flexibility in content creation. Amplenote distinguishes itself with strong bidirectional linking, a unique idea to task-to-calendar workflow, and exceptionally fast, comprehensive search capabilities. It's designed for rapid capture and actionability of your thoughts. Notion is an ideal choice for teams managing intricate projects, building extensive personal knowledge bases, or creating dynamic wikis. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a wide array of organizational needs. Amplenote, conversely, is perfectly suited for individuals who prioritize efficient note-taking, quick task management, and effective time blocking. If your workflow demands rapid capture and immediate action, Amplenote might be your preferred tool. Regarding cost, Notion offers a generous free personal plan, with paid options starting at $8 per user per month for teams. Amplenote provides a free tier with some limitations, and its paid plans begin at $7.50 per month when billed annually. Both platforms ensure broad accessibility, offering dedicated applications for web, desktop, and mobile devices, allowing you to stay organized wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.